Idrivesafety's 5-star driver training curriculum, you will find references to painted island use. Modules 5, 21 and Road Law Sheet 0021 all contained in your workbook. As you can see, there's a painted island on the right. Now, we're legally allowed to drive over that to enter a turning lane, leave the road, as you'll find in those modules. We'll wait until after that pedestrian who's illegally there, so we won't run dopey over. And then what we're going to do is manage these guys on the left as well as the oncoming vehicles. A lot of people enter late, indicate as they move, so we'll manage that risk. It does afford us a greater degree of management of that OCV and that end point. We get a lot more time in the turning lane to manage that, and the drivers who are at the rear, it does significantly increase the traffic flow and reduces our risk from slowing down in front of vehicles in that lane.